Being covered in freckles is actually my favourite thing, especially when it's becoming summertime again, because they are getting so vibrant. A lot of people in my comments tell me that they're insecure of their freckles, and don't be. Genuinely, my freckles are my favourite thing ever, and I cannot wait for them to just be more out there. It was this year I've been getting more sick than I have in my whole 17 years of living. It's really not okay. I've been travelling a lot more this year, so it's probably because I can't get on a plane without catching someone else's sickness. Anyway, I've taken a day off school today to get some rest, but I'm going to the shops to get my nails redone because these are really getting on my nerve. My hair was pissing me off, so I just put it in a little bun. Why are you crying? September is Suicide Awareness Month, and as a fellow survivor, I just want to congratulate everyone from getting through. It is not easy, but you're doing amazing. If you're someone that is struggling, I promise you, keep going, because this world is so much better with you in it. And seek help from all around the world. I promise you there was always someone who will listen to you. I hope you guys will have an amazing day, and remember that you are loved. Ignore the fact that I got these nails done literally 2 days ago, and I've managed to snap one already. I was trying to get my school bag in the back of my car, like in my boot, and when I shut the boot, it snapped my nail. Thankfully, I start late at school today, so I'm gonna go quickly get it done before I start school because I cannot bear having a stubby thumb. If you can't tell, I fake tanned yesterday, and I know I did a horrible job, but I'd rather look like this than be pale. My sisters went camping together and they come back today, but they can stay there because nothing has been stolen out of my wardrobe since they've been gone. I was meant to get my lashes lifted on Wednesday, but I was still sick in bed that day, so I had to cancel, although I am booked in for next Wednesday. I'm so excited to get them lifted again. The day that I learn and am comfortable to park wherever I want is the day that I can die happy, because parking is so stressful. I didn't get any marks off in the parking section for my driving test. I don't know how, but if I am driving somewhere and I know that parking there is going to be hard, don't expect me to go. My only regret from gymnastics is the hairline, because why do I have just a chunk of hair missing there? I'm literally going to school for 3 periods today. I'm going for psychology, English, and then health. And then Alex is coming over. Well done. I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I'm flying to Sydney very soon, and we have one problem. For the past week, I've been having little breakouts all around my face. To help them disappear 100%, I am going to use the Benzac Power Patches. These basically just help soothe, smooth, and reduce the redness of pimples. In my opinion, this is the best brand to remove pimples. I've used these more than once now. I had a massive pimple on my nose here that has not completely gone. It's still quite red, and on my chin, so I'm going to put 2 in those places. Personally, I love that you can wear these out and no one will notice that you have a pimple patch on, because they are very invisible. The packet comes with 24 ultra thin pimple patches, 12 small and 12 big. These are really accessible. I just drove to Chemist Warehouse and picked these up for only $15. Definitely my favourite go-to pimple patches. They're definitely a McQueen household favourite. I'll wake up tomorrow and these will be looking a lot better, if not disappeared. It only takes 6 hours. I'll be all ready for Sydney, so I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I think one of my favourite feelings ever is being able to come home from school, wash my face, and just wash the day's dirt off my face. Seriously, school air is not a joke. I hate it so much. It makes me look so different. I just hate it. Anyway, I need to get packing because I'm flying out somewhere on Friday for the weekend. You guys will find out when I get there. Watch me pack 50 outfits for 3 days, but it's okay, you always need backups. I need to find time to go to the shops and get my nails redone because they're just outgrown. And hold up guys, we've got to pause on the skincare. I have a package. Oh shit. So I kind of knew that was going to happen. Okay guys, look how cute. I think they're foundations with SPF in them. And then a brush. I'm not too sure, but thank you guys. Don't ignore the fact that my finger is currently throbbing. I think I'm going to turn my speaker on, pack and clean my room because I have clothes everywhere. I went through a phase of keeping my room really clean and it's just not clean anymore. See, I thought the habits took 24 days to form, and I definitely kept it longer for 24 days, which means it was a habit, but the habit didn't stay with me. Okay, bye guys. I hope you'll have an amazing day. I have so many emotions right now. I'm happy, I'm excited, I'm scared, I'm shitting myself. I am feeling everything under the sun. Today is my driving test. I know you can do this more than once. It's not like if you fail the first time you can never get your license, but I am so nervous. I think all of this on my chin is from the stress of my driving test. It's either that or all the yochi I've been eating. I'm really scared. I'm actually so scared. The thing is, I have really high expectations of myself. I want to pass first go just because that's what I expect of myself. But I'm trying to stay positive. I'm trying to tell myself, you're going to pass, but I don't want to be overconfident because if I don't pass, then that's embarrassing. I really hope that other people were this nervous for their driving test and I'm not being dramatic. I have to look somewhat good today because if I pass, when I pass, I will get my new license photo and I really need an upgrade from the current one I have because it is the most humbling photo of me I think I've ever seen. I'm praying I get a nice instructor. If they're rude, I think that'll actually just ruin my confidence. Like if they're like just blunt and just like... Just used some concealer to cover my pimples because they cannot be shown today. I feel ugly. This is not a good start to my day. Anyway, bye guys. I hope you'll have an amazing day. There's absolutely no way I'm waking up tomorrow and I'm going to be 17. That literally means that this time next year I'm going to be an adult. That to me is absolutely crazy to know. But the best thing about being 17 is that you can go for your license. I will be able to go for my P plates and drive around by myself if I pass. I'm not going tomorrow for my test. I'm going soon. I'm not going to say when in case I fail. But my test is so soon and I'm actually freaking out because I just want to pass. I've been told by my driving instructor that I have no reason to fail. He said if I fail, it'll just be like nerves on the day. He said I'm more than capable of passing, so I will pass. I'm so excited about the fact that I might not have to get the bus to and from school every day now. Soon. I don't know what this is on my chin. There's like 5 pimples in one spot. Anyway, if anyone else has their birthday on the 6th of August, happy birthday to you guys. We are twins. Hope you guys will have an amazing day. Or if your birthday's today, happy birthday. If your birthday's just happy birthday to your birthday. I feel like this time of the year, birthdays are so popular. Like so many people have their birthdays in like July, August. I was actually going to fake tan tonight. I don't know why I'm doing my skincare. Okay, bye guys. I hope you'll have an amazing day. Come spend 48 hours with me in Sydney for White Fox. My morning was not going as smoothly as I hoped. I woke up at the time I was meant to be at the airport. After we landed, we were heading straight to the White Fox headquarters, so I got ready in the bathrooms quickly. I was in such a rush this morning. These videos have made me realise I straightened my hair horrible. This is how I want my future wardrobe to look. You guys are not ready for this dress. This dress had me in a chokehold, so that definitely came home with me. And this was the amazing Bridget who hosted us today. We stayed at the W Sydney. It was an amazing hotel. Definitely a 10/10 experience. A quick outfit change because we were heading to the Capsule 9 White Fox event. The scenery and the views of this place were amazing. Do I regret not going on the ball? Yes. Day 2 was a bit more chill. We went on a walk and had a shopping day. This top was another item that I did take home. I seem to have a habit of going shopping and never buying anything. And Lauren was contemplating why we had like 10 Uber Eats orders this trip. And of course, another outfit change. Fun fact, you probably didn't know that I had hyperextended legs, but there you go. I woke up the next morning with a dreadful sore throat. At the airport, all I could find was pills. And taking big pills aren't my thing, as you can tell by my reaction. Oh, Lauren, you're taking the piss. Oh. I decided to try anyway because I couldn't find a chemist anywhere, and as expected, it did not go to plan. Only to walk to our gate and find a chemist right next to it where I could buy Nurofen. So yes, I sat there looking like a little kid having medicine from a syringe, but it's okay. We then boarded the plane and made our way home. Just got new nails. They're French. Very basic, but I love them. Forehead is peeling. Okay. Also guys, my sister's boyfriend is making a short film with one of his friends. It's called Blunt. This is some of his merch. He's got a tote bag, a beanie, and this top that is launching tonight at 5 p.m. Western Australian time. Everything is under $35, so if you could show some love and support, we all really appreciate it. Put the link in the comments because if you register at 4 p.m. you can get 10% off. I've woken up today, my brows just don't want to cooperate. What is going on with them? Short day at school today. I've only got 4 periods, but I can already just think about how good it's going to be to come home and sleep. I don't want to be going to school. I'm like out of pattern. I've been in bed the last 2 days trying to get over my sickness. Just don't want to go. These things are the perfect thing to bring to school. Like they're so like just easy to put in your pocket and they smell so good. I prefer this one. Whoa! Although if you wear fake tan like me, it does take your fake tan off, so do not put it on your neck because you will get patchy fake tan on your kit for school. So I put in this even though I never take it out. I've got some pens, driver's license. Of course you need some spray, deodorant. There is a lot of pens in there. Whoa. A slick back, a spoolie is also going to be packed because we cannot not have the hairline showing. Nobody look at my part today. I did not do that. Why is my scalp peeling so much? Anyway, bye guys. I hope you'll have an amazing day. I cannot for the life of me film a get ready with me before school anymore. I wake up in such a shit mood and I just, yeah, but let's get ready together. Can someone explain to me how I got burnt in winter? Like, Perth weather has been so bad lately. I don't know how I managed to get burnt yesterday. It went from being sunny to bucketing down with rain. But I fly out to a different state tomorrow, which has a lot better weather than Perth at the moment, so I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm excited for my trip, but I'm so unorganized, it's not okay. I fly out at some like early hours of the morning. I should probably figure out what time, but I still need to pack, have an everything shower, fake tan, like wash my hair and be ready for tomorrow. I shouldn't be complaining because I do it to myself. I have had so much time to do it, but I've been laying in my bed instead. I also need to mentally prepare myself because I do not do well with events. My anxiety goes through the roof. I'm just a very socially anxious person with like meeting new people and like new stuff, but I'm not gonna let that stop me and I'm still gonna go. I need to go to the shops after school and get some last minute things. I might just write a whole to-do list. I really just don't want to be going to school today. I just want to be preparing myself. But that's okay. That's all I'm going to do. I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I think it's time to finally go buy new moisturiser. I have 3 of these tubes cut open, trying to get as much out as I can. And it's empty. I've readjusted these maybe like 10 times. If I move my head sudden, it's going to fall out. So we need to do like little movements. Whoa, she's shiny. I'm just going to blend this out. Whoa. It's fine. I was overreacting for nothing. Now I look like my mum trying to do makeup. Not good. My brows have been atrocious recently. Don't even look at them without getting my hair wet. I've not used this in ages. My siblings seem to have a habit of walking into my room when the door is shut and leaving it open.
It was open just then.
No, I know, but Bonnie just left it open. I feel like I look like a chav. I don't like it. Guys, I look orange. Hey guys, let's get ready for the day. Today I'm not doing anything. So I'm gonna focus my day on trying to get my account back. I've done pretty much everything I can to try to get my account back. So now it's just a waiting process, I guess, to see if TikTok allows it to be back up. I'm really hoping it does get put back up because that account meant so much to me and I worked so hard on it. So to see it just get banned like that for like no reason, so annoying. But thank you to everyone who has come across and followed this one. It really means a lot. I have the intentions with this account to hopefully use this as my backup if I get my other one back. But if I don't, then this one is going to be my new main. And we're just going to have to work on building up all those supporters again. I've literally had the worst start to 2024. Like, I'm scared for this year. I had hopes that it would be a really, really good year, but from how it's going so far, it's not going good. My skin is really skinning right now, except for that. It's seriously so juicy, but I'm not popping it. One thing I hate is popping pimples. Like, I just can't pop mine. Parents have been so helpful with trying to get my account back. Like, my dad's like researching all these ways to get it back, and my mum actually emailed them, so fingers crossed. Anyway, my skincare is all done, so I hope you all have an amazing day. So, I woke up this morning and Ciara Lily is banned. Don't know why, don't know how, but I'm so mad. I'm doing everything I can to get this account back up, but if it does not get put back up, hopefully this account can be my new main. But if my account does get put back up, I'm just going to keep this one as an official backup since I don't even have access to my other backup. So Ciara.McQueen I don't even have access to right now because it's linked to my other one and it's not letting me in. I don't know. So for now the only account I have access to is Ciara Lily 2, which is this one. I am seriously so mad because I worked so hard for that account just for it to get taken away. This is so frustrating, but I'm going to keep a positive mindset that it'll be put back up. So fingers crossed. Anyway, bye guys, have an amazing day.